out the camper, TT.
I'm gonna do this. I couldn't do it because I had to clean my room when I was first about to do it. Oop, and I accidentally left it upside down. Let me turn it over. So, I'm gonna open this for my American Girl doll and see how this beautiful dress on. And this is her chair. So now I'm gonna unbox this. Figure out how to unbox it. I'm gonna unbox it from the back. And it's taped on it too. Ooh, I got it. So now I'm gonna take this and pull this up. I got it. Pressing hard on it, like this. So, see this? I'm doing this, and I'm putting it down like this. Now I'm gonna undo it, and I'm gonna try to take it. You got it. I got everything out. Now I'm gonna take this. Now I'm kind of this like this. See it? See the inside? This. Now I'm gonna open it. Take this out. Take this out. So here is the clothes. See the clothes? One for bedtime, shoes, tennis, shoes, and waist. There's no shoes because these are the shoes for the waist. So now I'm going to take this off. Like this again. Oh no, I can do it from the back. See this back? I can just take it off like this, right? Can you just like, oh, I know. I'm doing this.
And my name is Ralph. Now I like a woman who loves her freedom. And I like a woman who can hold her own. And if you fit that description, baby.
I got it in my mouth. Yeah, whatever. Now, I'm just going to do it like this. Like, I'm going to get this back, and I'm going to pull the back.
like a woman that's quiet. A woman who carries herself like Miss Universe.
Okay. So now I'm just gonna put this one. Boom. So I got this. Now time. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the shoes and stuff later. So I got this out. I want this out.
Now, my name is Paul. You see, I like all women of the world. And if you understand what I'm saying, I want you to. Take my hand. Come with me, baby.
And now, look at this. And pull it in. Oh, how did that come off? Go inside this.
Cancer. And my name is Larry. And I like a woman that loves everything
Get put off.
and everybody. And you know what, ladies?
How is
If you feel that this is you,
being like
then this is what I want you to do.